So let's chat about how the quiz feature on Edmodo can be used in education. So I've seen many teachers incorporate this in their in-person or hybrid learning primarily, due to the fact because it's simple to grade, it's simple to use, and teachers are able to make comments and respond to students whenever. Also, the statistics feature is very handy. I've seen many teachers who will plainly just display this information to the students to say, okay, this is what we need to work on, this is what you're doing great at, and so on and so forth. This could be used strictly as an online platform, but it's my opinion that the teachers should be on the pro version, just to get the most out of it. But the teacher's able to post lectures, videos, assignments, resources from other websites. So I could see maybe K through 7 using this site for an all online platform, in my opinion. It's not always the case. But I definitely like the social interaction, even on quizzes, and that we're able to make comments. Also, this could be used in a college or ESL setting. Same rules apply, just kind of vamping the instruction to be a little bit more of a challenge. But I've seen this be used on a college level as well, just mainly for the social features, but I would use this in an in-person classroom, but I wouldn't use it all the time. I'd use it as a tool, but I don't think I would keep all my grades on here. I would utilize this, but I would use something like PowerSchool or Blackboard to keep track of grades. But very good tool. It can be used effectively.